Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying my videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a beautiful menu of different businesses in Canva and sell these services online, and also you can use this for your own business. So this is a very important skill. This is a very important skill to work on, and also this is a very easy skill. It takes just 3 to 5 minutes to complete the project. So first of all we will go to Fiverr and let's see that there is a demand of this skill or not, and then we will we will learn how to make this in Canva. So I am going to Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform where you can sell your services and earn money through it. So I write here menu design. So I click on this and it will show me that 6,180 services available. So that means 6,180 freelancers are providing this service. So this is a very good service and the competition is normal, so you can easily rank on the first page. So first of all I will like to open the gig of Fiverr choice, and let's analyze his gig and let's start learning according to it. So I will design modern and professional restaurant menu design. So in basic package he charged $10 and a single side page menu, and in standard he charged $30, and in premium he charged $50. So this is a good skill. You can earn $50 by working just 5 to 10 minutes, and that's it. You can also read about the gig and analyze this gig and make your gig according to it. So that's it for the Fiverr part or freelancing part. Let's go to Canva and start learning how to design the menu in Canva. So I cross this one and home Canva. I write here menu. So it provides me different templates, but I would like to create a blank menu. It is loading, just wait for some seconds, bear with me. So I want to create a menu for pizza restaurant. So I write here pizza and it shows me different templates. I like this one. So it is a good template, but sorry, Control Z. So first of all I would like to change the images of pizza. So I write here in go to photos and pizza. So it provides me different pizza images. So I put it here and then put it here. So this is good, and after that I would like to change the color. Yeah, that's good. So you can also customize the menu: chicken, pizza, fajita, pizza, special pizza, and in dessert you can also change ice cream, pudding, cake. So you can change the menu according to the client's requirements. So I just want to show you how you can customize the template for the menu and how you can send this do your work for your client. So if you want to download this, click on the share button and download button, and download according to different formats according to your client's requirements. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn the skills and start earning online. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.